Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act, just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy's smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another 3 glam DIY projects. Inspired again by Gallerie, I thought I'd share them with you. I hope you enjoy. I picked up this cushion from my local dollar store for just $8, and taking my Mod Podge, I had a wonderful idea in mind to give it that glam touch. Starting from the right hand side, I'm adding the Mod Podge in random strokes. I'm going to continue on until I go across the entire cushion. I'm then going to take my favourite silver glitter and I'm going to add that across the middle. I'm going to add extra Mod Podge in the sections where it needed it most. I'm then going to take my trusty hairspray, and I go for an extra whole hairspray here, guys, because as you're aware, working with glitter can get quite messy. Once it was all secure and in place, I then left it to dry. I then moved on to my second DIY. I picked up this salad bowl from my local dollar store for just $2. I also had this lid from a plastic container that I had, and I knew it'd be perfect for what I had in mind. Taking a hot glue gun, I glued the lid to the bowl.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies.
Once it was completely dry, I then tilted it on its side, and I'm going to add Mod Podge over the entire bowl. I'm then going to take that silver glitter and go over the entire bowl.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
as I work my way round, I'm going to take my trusty hairspray again, and this helps to secure everything in place as I go along.
takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says you, yeah, you can make it too. If not says you can make it.
I'm then going to start at the bottom of the bowl and go over that entire lid, also in glitter.
You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt.
I'm going to continue on until it's completely covered, and then off camera I did 2 coats of hairspray.
I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down.
While I let that project dry, I then moved on to my third and final DIY.
In your mind, trust that.
About a year ago, I picked up these beautiful flowers from a store here in Australia called 1825 Interiors. I absolutely loved these flowers, guys, but I felt they just weren't glam enough for me, so I had to add Chelles touch. Taking my Mod Podge once again, what I'm going to do here is just go around the edges of the flowers. You're then going to take your silver glitter and just dust very lightly over the edges. You're then going to continue on until all the petals are covered. Now I had 3 of these flowers in total, so I just repeated the same steps on each of the petals. Now I wanted to add some bling to the centre of each of my flowers, so I picked up these bling little rhinestones from my local Spotlight store, and what I did here, guys, is I just hot glued them into the centre. Off camera, I then gave 2 coats of hairspray to each of the flowers, and guys, I'm so happy with how these came. Look at the sparkle in this beautiful cushion. This has really made my glam heart so happy. You know your girl Chelle absolutely loves to share simple and inexpensive ways for you to decorate your home's glam. My 3 DIY projects were so much fun to create, inspired by beautiful decor from Gallerie. As we don't have it here in Australia, I had to put my thinking cap on. And the best part of all, guys, this cost me less than $40 for every single thing here, including all the glitter. A big shout out has to go to my beautiful friend Betsy Ann. On this tray, guys, she gifted me these beautiful items. I am in love with this mug. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of CHELLESGLAMHOME. I absolutely love to share simple and inexpensive projects that anyone could have a go at. My channel has always been about decorating on a budget. I love sharing simple tutorials with you to show you that you can recreate the designer looks but not have to have the hefty price tag. These 3 cushions you see here are all my DIYs, all inspired by Gallerie. I'll leave links to those videos for you down below.
So you tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars.
Don't forget guys to give me a follow over on Instagram. I'm at CHELLESGLAMHOME too. I post daily photos guys of decorating ideas, glam budget decorating, as well as updates to my YouTube channel. And I'd love for you to follow me along.
I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Thank you so much for watching guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to decorate glam on a budget.
Time you feel the walls are closing in, and it seems like nothing makes it better. You should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts, and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again, even if you don't know when.
Don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home.
You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.